Hi guys! Welcome back again! Meron tayong bagong unbox na phone na galing sa Vivo. And this is Vivo Y20i. But before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if possible, pakishare na rin sa ibang mga friends ninyo. So, let's start with the box. So, tingnan mo, kakaiba yung box ng Y20i. Yung design, maganda siya. Very, parang pang bata, pang youth yung dating. So, ito yun, Y20i, Vivo. Ito yung sides, ito yung back. Nakasulat sa likod is 5,000 mAh battery, side-mounted fingerprint scanner, and the AI dual bokeh camera. So, ito yata yung pinakaunang side-mounted fingerprint scanner ng Vivo, itong model Y20i. And the variant na meron tayo is 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal memory. Expandable siya up to 256GB using micro SD card. Yung color na in-order ko is Dawn White. Meron din Nebula Blue. Yun yung other colors na available. And this is the latest mid-range phone coming from Vivo. Yun. So, tingnan natin what this phone can offer to us when it comes to the performance. Okay, let's start unboxing this phone. Wow! Look at this one. Let's see, meron din siyang jelly case and SIM card ejector. Natin dito. And this is the phone unit. Ito muna. Let's see kung meron na pang meron sa loob. Then another cardboard. Ito yung charger. And the cable, USB cable. And micro USB siya. Kita niyo siya. Micro USB. Yan. Sayang hindi siya Type-C, no? Pero it's okay. Balik muna natin sa loob. And here's the phone. Wala mga printed information sa front. And sa likod naman, nandito na yung sticker, nakadikit sa plastic. So, tanggalin natin yung plastic. Sa likod pala, may nakasulat din pala. Pero hindi natin babasahin. Ito yun. Ayan. Konting information lang. Pero sobrang liit eh. Anyway, kaya natin. So, here's the phone. Ayan. Ganda, no? Para may pagka-glass siya, pero gawa siya sa plastic. Plastic siya. And meron na rin siyang screen protector, which is good. Yan, pakita ko sa inyo to. Vivo na logo. May pagka parang bluish white siya, na pagka pearly and may rainbow effect, parang shell. Yan. Okay, so on the right side of the phone, andun yung volume control, fingerprint scanner that serves as also the power button. On the bottom of the phone, andun yung earphone jack, the microphone, the micro USB port, and the loudspeaker. On the left side, andun na rin yung SIM card tray and the external memory tray. Sa top naman, there is nothing. So, malinis siya. Wala rin siyang microphone sa taas. So, set up na natin yung phone and I'll be back in a few minutes. Eto na guys, na-set up na natin yung phone. Actually, madali lang mag-register ng fingerprint scanner sa side. So, tingnan natin. So, nakalock na yung phone. Unlock natin. Yan, lock natin. And then, unlock. Yan. May face recognition unlocking din siya. So, either way, gusto mo i-register yung face mo, gawin nyo na rin. Pero for me, fingerprint scanner ang mas convenient. Tingnan nyo yung screen, guys. Very vibrant siya. Adjust natin yung brightness. Full bright natin. So, ang screen type is IPS LCD with the resolution of 720 by 1600 HD+, with FunTouch OS 10.5 based on Android 10.0. Ang chipset pala nito is Qualcomm Snapdragon 460 with the GPU of Adreno 610. So, sabi, okay daw to for gaming. But we'll see later kung okay ang performance ng game on this phone. Other features, meron siya Multi-Turbo 3.0 and Ultra Game Mode. For more information about that, in-explain ko siya sa isa kong video dun sa VIVO Y20i. Panoorin nyo rin yun para makita ninyo yung Ultra Game Mode. And for the camera, guys, we have AI dual camera. Yung isa is main camera and the other one is bokeh. Again, huwag kayo malilito or ma-confuse kasi yung international website ng Vivo, yung model nila for this phone has 3 cameras. For the main camera, meron siyang 13 megapixels and 2 megapixel bokeh. And for the front camera, it has 8 megapixels. Yung video nila sa front and back camera can record 1080p at 30 frames per second. And the maximum zoom for the video and for the photo is up to 4 times. So guys, sana makita ninyo, mukha siyang tatlong lens sa Philippine version. Pero yung pangatlo is design na ng camera. Parang camera icon lang siya. For the Philippine edition ng VIVO Y20i, it has only 2 dual cameras. So nakikita nyo yan. 1, 2. Yung pangatlo, hindi ang camera. Parang camera icon lang siya. So don't be confused. But for the international version or outside Philippines, yung camera ng Y20i has 3. So triple camera siya. The price of this phone is 7,499. And I'll show you some sample pictures. Indoor nga lang kasi madilim na sa labas. And we'll let you know the outcome of the pictures. So let's watch it. So guys, fast forward tayo the next day. Tinuloy ko na lang yung pag-record and pag-capture ng photo using this camera on daylight. So ngayon ko na lang tinuloy the following day. So before we continue, pakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kanipis itong phone. Yan. It is 8.41mm thickness. And the weight of the phone is 192 grams. So okay na rin siya for 5,000 mAh battery capacity. So to continue guys, for the pictures and the videos, standard lang yung quality nila, nothing wow, nothing much, as you can see sa mga sample video and photos na pinesend ko sa inyo earlier. This phone is good for everyday use. So pang casual use yung for everyday, for taking pictures for Instagram, for Facebook, doing TikToks and others. But don't use this camera phone on big occasions kasi yung quality niya hindi masyadong high-end. Sa games naman, naglaro ako ng Mobile Legends. Yung quality ng video or quality ng graphics, naka-high quality na siya. Although hindi masyadong maganda yung graphic because do sa resolution. So, one thing na enjoy ko dito is hindi siya naglalag, hindi siya nagsa-slow motion, and okay yung game niya, smooth yung game niya until the end. So, and susubukan ko maglaro ng ibang heavy games on this phone. Tingnan natin kung okay din siya yung performance. But when it comes to graphics, don't expect too much. Pero sa performance naman, okay siya so far. Sa loudspeaker naman, standard din yung tunog niya. Hindi masyadong clear, pero loud siya na typical loudspeaker ng mga mid-range phone. Pagdating naman sa watching ng YouTube, the usual, Netflix, and other videos, okay naman tong phone. Masasabi ko lang, if you are a loyal user of Vivo phones and gusto mo ng bagong mid-range phone coming from them, I would suggest to get this phone, VIVO Y20i phone. Ito yun. Okay naman siya, manipis for me, and okay naman gaming, and hindi siya madamot kasi may ibang brand na mid-range phone, wala siyang screen recording. You have to download on a third-party site para lang magkaroon ng screen recording. Eh, di ba tayo, mahilig tayo mag-screen recording, especially when playing games. So, itong phone, meron din siya. Okay, maganda rin siya. And one more thing, okay yung grip niya, para sa akin. Cute siya. Manipis siya, kaya it will fit in your pocket. And para sa naghanap ng budget phone, para sa online class ng mga anak nila, okay din itong phone kasi yung front camera nila is bright and clear. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video and sana nakatulong ako sa inyo for you to decide kung bibili kayo ng VIVO Y20i or hindi. But I hope nag-enjoy kayo again to watch this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Once again, I hope to see you again. Bye!